First Tutor. Thank you so very much for joining me today. Please do press the subscribe button. It's on this side. It's the red button. Yes, guys. Thank you so much. Welcome to the family. Today is week 5. Yes, week 5. We are doing probability. I don't remember what we were doing last week. But anyway, yeah. Today is week 5 and we'll be doing probability. I hope you guys will enjoy this, and please keep up with me in the comment section. I want to know what you guys feel about all the content that I put out on this channel, and I'll link my email below so that you guys can contact me and send me your questions, email me, all that. Otherwise, thank you very much, guys. Join me next week again for another video and another one and another one. Thank you so much. Question paper was extracted from the February-March 2016 paper, and we're doing question 10. I do apologize for this week's video, guys. It got deleted, so I'll just be showing you what I've already done. We're doing probability, and as you can see, I've already drawn the table. We're doing question 10, and what's missing is the A, B, C, D, E, and you'll see as we go how we're going to find those. But 10.1.1 is asking us to find the value of A, and the value of A is in the intersection of the totals. So what you can either do is add the 60 and 100, or you can add on the vertical side, which is 60 plus 80 plus 20, and then you get your value of A, which is basically the totals are both of the sides are equal, so you can get your answer as 160. Moving on to 10.1.2, we are asked to find the probability that the person is a male. And we go straight to the column for the males. If you can see there, you just see that the total for the males is 60. So it's 60 divided by the grand total, which is 160. We already found earlier, which is A. That gives us 3/8. Moving on to 3. We were asked to choose if the person is a male and is drinking coffee. So you given that P of male and times P of coffee. So this is the intersection is equal to P of male and coffee, that is your B. So then what you do is P of male, we already found that is this. So you say 3/8. And then P of coffee. For coffee, you take this, which is your 80 over that. Then that's that. And then you equal to this side, it's your B over 160. And so what you do here is you take this, you take this and this, you multiply, you get this, and then this is what is left on the other side. You cross multiply the two. 16B over 16 is equal to 480 over 16. Then your B is 30. Yeah, I think that's it. It's supposed to be simple. Sure. That the 6 seats in like a plain whatever. So you have 6 factorial. 6 factorial simply means that it's 6 times 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1, and then you get your answer as 720. Simple as that, guys. I hope you do understand. Moving on to 10.2.1, and then we have like Oliswa and ants. What you do is Oliswa and ants are considered as 1 unit. So you write X and A. But there are 2 different ways in which you can arrange them. It can either be Oliswa and N, or N and Oliswa. So it's that basically there's 2 arrangements of this, which is this and this. It's 2 arrangements. So then you know that from the 6 seeds, you take out the Oliswa and N, which is 1 unit, and you're left with 5. So then what you do is 5 factorial multiplied by 2, which is the 2 arrangements, the 2's for the 2 arrangements. And then you say, obviously, 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1, this is 1, guys. And then you multiply by 2, you get your answer as 240. I hope you really do understand. If you don't understand, yeah. Okay, guys. Moving right along, we have 10.2.3. Mary is at the end of the row on the left. We know that we are asked that we probably that Mary is at the end of the row. So in a row, there's 2 ends. There's like the left side and there's also the right side. So what happens is you want to know the probability that Mary is at the left. So it's 1 times 5. Mary is the 1 person out of the seat. 1 seat. So we're going to use 1 seat out of the 5 seats. Out of the 6 seats. So there'll be 5 other seats left. And then Mary, this is Mary. Anyway, Mary at the end of the row. on the right, and it's 1 times 5 factorial. So the total number of arrangements is 6 factorial. So Mary is at the end of the row, and what you do is you take 5 times 1, which is that for the left, and 5 times don, which is that for the right. You divide it by the total of arrangements, and then you are left with 1/3. I hope you really do understood. Thank you.
No role models, and I'm here right now. No role models to speak of. Searching through my memory, I couldn't find one.